So you're in the market for a compact sedan, and of course the logical choices are Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla. They've been around forever. We all know them. Your parents drove them, and they're reliable. But you know what? This is the Elantra, the Hyundai Elantra. It's the 5th generation Elantra, and I got to tell you, been driving this car all day. The car looks beautiful, as you can see. For about $21,000, you're getting a fully loaded Limited with navigation. Price starts at around $16,000 for a manual. But what you have to really understand about this car is not only does it look good on the outside, it looks great on the inside, and it just drives really, really well. Front wheel drive, all new engine. When I say new, NU, that's a whole new line of engines for Hyundai. 1.8 liter, 148 horsepower, 131 pound-feet of torque. It's got a lot of class-leading numbers. One number that just really blew our minds was the interior volume, 110 cubic feet. That's more than, you know what? A Nissan Maxima. That's right, it's more than a Nissan Maxima. So a lot of times I come to these events and, you know, I make these recommendations, and some of you say, hey, well, you like every new car you drive. So what I did was I surveyed about 24 journalists and said, you know, if it was your money today, you had about $21,000, you were going to buy a compact sedan, you were going to drive it for 4 years, what would you buy? And you know what? This was the #1 choice. It went #1 Elantra, #2 Civic, #3 Mazda 3, and #4 the all-new Chevy Cruze. So this is a vehicle that really got it right. Again, it's a 5th generation, got the 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Right now, I can tell you this is a top recommendation from us. Really enjoyed driving it. As you can see, the interior of the Elantra is extremely spacious. One of the things that really impressed us about it was just how well it drove and also how quiet it was. Extremely quiet. It's got to be one of the quietest in the segment. Available is a 7-inch navigation screen. 7 inches, it's the largest in the segment. I mean, you can see this thing is high definition. It's very clear. And see these pillars over here? You may not think much of these pillars. Look, they're just pillars. But you know what they really are? They're cloth-looking pillars composed of plastic mixed with fibrous tissue and volcanic rock. Where the hell are they getting these volcanic rocks from? Iceland? I don't know. But you know what? It all works. Even the seats, they're made of recycled soy, and they got this wavy leather thing. I mean, things that you don't expect in a $20,000 car, you find in a Hyundai Elantra.